Hello guys, it's your girl Edisa again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where beauty meets wellness. Today I want to teach you how to make natural lemon juice for skin lightening. Yes, people are wondering, some people might be wondering that how do I get lemon juice? The reason I want to see I'm bringing this video here is because I'm going to be using lemon juice in my future recipes, so I want to lay this foundation on how to make natural lemon juice for skin lightening. Yes, before I continue, I want to quickly say that lemon juice has a very wide range of benefits to the skin, and part of it is it's an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C. It helps to reduce skin damage and premature aging. It is also an astringent, and due to its high pH levels, it can decrease oil on the skin. So if you have an oily skin, you want to consider lemon juice to be part of your beauty regimen. Yes, and also it is an antifungal agent. A 2014 study suggested that lemon juice may have antifungal properties, including the ability to kill off candida fungal strains on the skin. Isn't that amazing, guys? And last but not the least, it is used for skin lightening. Gosh, that is why I am bringing it to my channel. Lemon contains acids that have the ability to naturally lighten the skin, including age spots and acne scars. So for you to know that lemon juice is not just something you can just joke with, it's a very, very important part. It should be part of your recipes if you are considering going into cosmetology. I mean organic cosmetology, like I do. So you've been seeing me peeling this number of lemons. So I want to quickly tell you that the volume that you are going to produce depends on the number of lemons that you are going to get. Just make sure that your lemons have water. That's all. So forgive me, sometimes peeling might be rough, but that is, you know how it goes. So I'm going to bring how to make lemon oil too in the next, in forthcoming videos. So just stay glued to this channel and look at how I'm doing this. So I'm peeling already, and after peeling I'm going to show you very soon that I'm going to cut it and squeeze into the sieve. After cutting, I have squeezed my lemons into the sieve so as to remove all the seeds and get a clean natural lemon juice. Can you see it? So you just get a clean glass jar and pour the lemon juice into it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.